Most people think they know New Zealand. The big mountains, the famous trails, the postcard views. But the North Island tells a different story.
The North Island of New Zealand is full of volcanoes and hills, and it's got all of this amazing variety.
Here, the landscape shifts constantly. Steam rises from the earth. Rivers carve through deep valleys. Forests wrap around the trails, and every place has a story.
Adventure South is just fantastic. I've been on 5 trips with Adventure South. Guides are great, the scenery is great, the bikes are great, the food's great, accommodation's really good. Just a fantastic way to see the place.
This is the North Island people don't expect. Here, the scenery does not stay still for long. Forest gives way to farmland, rivers cut through deep valleys, and volcanic landscapes sit close to everyday life.
The North and South have got different things to offer visitors. You've got your big glacial landscapes in the South Island, and over here you've got your more volcanic landscape and probably a bit more forest.
Up here there's a lot more lush greenery. You're seeing the volcanic areas, you're seeing geothermal activity, bubbling mud, steam coming out of the ground. You're seeing a bit more Māori culture. We're also going into timber forestry areas, farmland, rolling hills. It changes a lot, it's more diverse, and we're seeing sort of a bit more heartland New Zealand.
Adventure South's North Island trips bring together quiet roads, forest trails, river valleys and volcanic country, with each journey offering its own flavour.
3 of those trips are mostly on the backcountry routes, and one of them is more on New Zealand cycle trails.
I think the variety on the North Island is what kind of gets people.
Trails across the North Island, and particularly the central North Island, are really incredibly rich variety of trails and incredible range of different connected rides within that. And there's something for everybody.
Much of the North Island experience is found between the rides, in the people you meet and the stories that sit within each place.
Their stories are connected, whether they're iwi stories, whether they're settler stories, and then of course you've got conservation and ecology overlay of that. It is a real partnership from start to finish, and that's really, really important.
People look after each other here, you know, it's a very special place.
We're really trying to connect with the people on the trip, but also connect with the locals in the areas that we're travelling through.
The riding is the thread, but the memories often come from everything around it.
The great thing about some of these trips is the activities. We go to a thermal wonderland. We take you to visit a Māori family and have an experience. They talk to you in Māori. You can learn a little bit about their culture. And we jet boat to Whanganui River. We walk into the bridge to nowhere. We also go to Spellbound Caves, which is in the Waitomo area, and that's a beautiful experience to go underground into a cave and see all the amazing glowworms. So there's lots of different activities that we add to the trip.
Our main tour is to the Bridge to Nowhere, which involves a 32-kilometre jet boat ride each way with a bushwalk of 2.7 kilometres. There was a big bridge that was built there, 1935-36. The valley was abandoned by 1944, so we were just left with a big concrete bridge in the middle of nowhere.
Guided does not mean less adventurous. It means the details are handled, so guests can focus on the ride, the place, and the people around them.
Everything's basically taken care of, so you don't have to worry about all the logistics. You'll have experienced guides with you, and they will look after your bike, they will transport your luggage from A to B. If the weather turns or you just had enough, you can always jump in the bus.
You're basically looked after from the time you join us all the way to the end.
The e-bike just takes that stress off. You can take your time, you can still get a workout if you want it, but you've got a little bit of extra backup if you need it.
I felt great. I felt like I was really looked after and organised. They take all your stuff, they take your gear, they feed you. The guide's just so terrific, and they just look after you, and so many extra activities, and it was brilliant.
Adventure South NZ's new North Island trips are designed to connect the riding, landscapes, local stories and support into one seamless journey.
The guides are the heart of the trips, and their knowledge and experience is amazing. Adventure South is all about getting you out there in that landscape, on the bikes, hiking, walking, getting out on the water. We want to get you out there and enjoying everything there is.
For me, I find it's the little extras as well. We know the best places to eat, and we have these off-bike activities, have dinner with locals or go to little secret spots which is not on the normal tourist roadmap.
Adventure South bring nice smaller group tours through, which means people can really actually enjoy the experience and connect with people, which is really, really important. They care about the trails and they also invest back in the trails. So they're a true partner and that makes a real difference. You know, every little interaction you have will be an experience and a memory that you'll take home that you'll never get anywhere else, so just do it.